Hello everyone, in this session we are going to learn how to make 3D model of Plummer block and its 2D drawing. After completing this session, you can able to design Plummer block 3D model and generate 2D diagram within 20 minutes. Let's go to the session. Before starting design, create a new folder for the model. Start creating sketch for the design, select the plane. Draw a circle of 48 mm diameter, and a sketch line similar to the body of the model, we require. And using dimension comment, give the values to the lines we have created before. 4 mm, 16 mm, 26 mm, 28 mm, 104 mm, 5 mm, 14 mm, 68 mm, 'Draw a line, connecting circle, and the line like this, make tangent to the circle, and the line. Trim the unwanted line using trim comment, to make single profile. Using mirror comment, select the object to mirror, and select mirror line, like this. Extrude the created sketch, in symmetric direction, whole length of 46 mm. We have created body of the Plummer block, now we are going to create sketch for cap of the Plummer block. Select plane, and draw a circle of 48 mm, and draw a line of 8 mm. 28 mm, 16 mm, 26 mm, 12 mm, and 26 mm. Draw a circle, and line like this. Trim the unwanted sketches, using trim comment. Using mirror comment, select the object to mirror, and select mirror line, like this. Change the circle dimension into 96 mm. Extrude the created sketch, in symmetric direction, whole length of 46 mm, and operation in new body, we have created the cap. Now rotate the model, and create sketch in bottom face of the body. Draw a circle of 8 mm for the pin cut. Draw a circle of 108 mm. A circle more than that. Draw a circle of 14 mm. And a square of 26 mm. Draw a slot of 8 mm between the center point, and 12 mm diameter circle. Make the distance in between these 2 points as 39 mm. And between these 2 points as 77 mm. Draw a line at the center, for mirroring. Mirror the circle, and square, and slot, sketch to the another side. Extrude these profile with offset length of -14 mm. End cut. The body, end cap, like this. Now extrude the slot, and circle profile. Extrude the bolt head profile into -10 mm, operation in cut. Extrude the 8 mm circle, with offset value of -25 mm. End distance of 9 mm, as the operation as cut. Create a sketch for the brass of the plumber block, hide the bodies for easy view. Draw a line profile similar to our required sketch. Change the dimensions of the lines, as required. 32 mm. In between these two lines is 23 mm. In between these 2 points is 14 mm. In between these two lines is 24 mm. In between these two lines is 22 mm. Draw a line connecting these two lines, having a distance between these lines as 16 mm. Using mirror comment, select the object to mirror, and select mirror line, like this. Using revolve extrude, select the profile, end axis, and extrude as new body. Make all the bodies visible. Make the sketch visible we have created at the bottom face of the body, and hide this body. Extrude the 8 mm circle. Having a offset distance of 27 mm, and extrude distance of 9 mm, and operation join. Construct tangent plane, at the top of the cap. Create sketch in that plane. Draw a circle of 8 mm, and 6 mm. And create horizontal vertical constraint to those 2 points. Extrude cut the 6 mm circle, throughout these bodies. Make the sketch visible, and extrude cut the 8 mm circle to 16 mm. Now to create bolt, create sketch in the bottom square plane. Draw a circle of 12 mm. A square of 24 mm. Extrude the square profile to 8 mm for bolt head.